My name is Randy Brothers. I am the founder of Elie Roofing. We have been around for 12 years now. This is my partner, Cody Hayes.
Hey.
How long have you been with us?
This will be 9 years this year. I've been servicing the Denver metro area. Anything Front Range all the way down to Pueblo. Really doing what we can to, offer great services, do the right thing, be a different type of contractor, do amazing work and offer amazing customer service.
One thing we're really well known for is our residential re-roof and insurance restoration projects that we do every year, and we work with a ton of homeowners. But what I want to also let you know is that we are a commercial contractor as well. Flat roofing, roof coatings, we also do metal roofs, tile roofs, all types of specialty roofs. So we're not just an insurance contractor, we are a full service roofing contractor, and we have a full service in-house service repair department.
We primarily do Denver area. Like I said, we can do anything basically from Cheyenne down to Pueblo, all along the Front Range. So we do things up in the mountains, all through Summit County. One of our main focuses is obviously going to be, great service, making sure that all of our homeowners really know what we offer and why we offer and, why we do the things that we do. We're based on 4 main pillars of faith, family, honesty, integrity. We really focus on making sure that we do things the right way and ultimately make sure that when we're done with the job that we can all walk away as friends. We can get a lot of great referrals once things are completed and, make sure we have the best guys in the industry.
Being a local contractor, he and I both grew up, born and raised here in Colorado. It's really our main focus to be the best roofer we can in Colorado. So we have a pretty wide reach in Colorado. I mean, we both grew up in Colorado Springs. We live and reside in the Denver area. We both went to school up in northern Colorado. So we have ties, very close ties to all of the Front Range, and we're not an out-of-town company. We've been here our whole lives. Our staff all lives right here locally in Colorado as well, and we're really proud to be a Colorado company. All right, once again, this is Randy Brothers and Cody Hayes with Elie Roofing. You can find us online on our social media channels, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Also check out our website, elite-roofs.com. We are a proud Colorado company, proud to support the home shows, and it's springtime. So give us a call. It's time to be thinking about getting your roof and getting those repairs done for the spring, getting your house ready to host for the summer.